So in this video, I'll show you how to create glow captions in CapCut. So after you open up the CapCut like this now, so now here is my voiceover. So now right click on the voiceover. After you right click on your voice or on the video you want to create the glow to it, now go ahead and create compound clip. So after you create compound clip for the video or for the audio, you want to create the glow caption for it. So then go to this caption section. After you go to the caption, now select the language for the voiceover. So make sure you select the language for your voice. So my voice is in English. I'll just go with the English language and then click on this generate button. So after it gives you the caption, now here is the caption. So now select all the captions. After you select all the captions, now go to this text and then go to effects. After you go to the effects, now go and select the glue you want to use for your text. So for me, let's say I want to use this one. So now I have the glue on my text. So you can go ahead and choose the one you want to use. So for this video, I want to use, let's say, this one. After you select the glue in this option, go ahead and select animation again. So under the animation, go to captions. So here it will give you different style for your captions. So let's say for me, I want to use this one, or I'll scroll to down and choose the caption I want, the style I want to use for my audio or for my text. I want to use this one. So now let's play the video, let's play the text and see how it works. So in this style, so there is different style under the caption. So you go ahead now and choose the style that you want. And if you want to increase the size of the font, just go to this text. After you select all the text, so I'm go to this text basics. So under the basic here is it font size. So you can increase the size of your font in this option. So I'll increase the size to like 10, like this. So you can change the case if you want the over, if you want capital letters, or if you want like word by word case. So here you can go ahead and choose in this option. After you finish, now you get the glow captions in your video. Hope this video helps. Be sure to like and subscribe.